In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Q&A feature in Google Meet. Google Meet is a powerful tool for virtual meetings and classes, offering a variety of features that can enhance interaction and engagement among participants. One particularly useful feature for facilitating discussions and gaining insights is the Q&A feature. However, it's important to note that this feature is not available in the free version of Google Meet. You'll need to upgrade your subscription to access it. This upgrade ensures that you and your participants can make the most of Google Meet and enjoy an interactive experience. Once you've successfully upgraded your Google Meet subscription, you're ready to start using the Q&A feature. Begin by opening your Google Meet session as usual. After your meeting has started and you have your participants' attention, locate the three vertical dots in the bottom right corner of the Meet window. These dots represent your More Options menu. Click on them and a drop-down menu will appear on your screen. As you scroll through the options, you'll notice a list of available features. Look towards the bottom of this list and you should find the option labeled Q&A. Click on this option to activate the feature. Once you've clicked on it, a side panel will open on the right side of your screen, dedicated solely to managing questions during your meeting. With this panel open, participants now have the ability to submit their questions in real time during the meeting. You can view each question as it comes in and address them either as they are asked or at a designated time during your meeting, such as after your presentation concludes. The beauty of this feature is that it keeps all the questions organized in one place, minimizing interruptions and ensuring that important inquiries aren't overlooked. Furthermore, as the meeting host, you can moderate the questions by choosing which ones to answer and in what order. This ensures that the discussion remains on topic and productive. The Q&A feature can significantly enhance engagement by providing attendees with the opportunity to voice concerns, seek clarification, or offer insights without breaking the flow of the meeting. Additionally, to make the most of the Q&A feature, it's a good idea to let your participants know at the beginning of the meeting that this feature is available and encourage them to use it. Setting aside specific times during your meeting to address questions can also be helpful. So, there you have it. A straightforward process for using the Q&A feature in Google Meet, provided you have the appropriate subscription. By incorporating this tool into your virtual meetings, you can create a more interactive and responsive environment, boosting communication and understanding among all participants. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in making your online meetings more engaging and effective.